Knotting, presented by the 33rd Carousel Scout Group Youth Leadership Team. In this video, we will go over reef knot, figure 8 knot, and the clove hitch.
So for the first knot, we have the reef knot, also known as a square knot. It's used for tying two ends of rope together, but it's not reliable for heavy loads or critical situations. It's mainly used for securing bandages, packages, or bundles.
Here is a demonstration on how to tie the reef knot. Hold the ends of the rope, one in each hand. Cross the right end over the left, forming an X, and tuck it under, forming a simple overhand knot. Now take the same end, now in your left hand, and cross it over the other rope again. Tuck it under and pull tight. It should form a symmetrical flat knot. If done correctly, it should slide easily but hold firm under tension.
Our second knot is called the figure 8 knot, and it's called that because the knot looks like a figure 8. It's a stopper knot that stops a rope from slipping through a hole, pulley, or belay device. It's important for climbing, sailing, and general knotting. Now we will demonstrate.
Start with one end of the rope and make a loop. Hold down the intersection and use the working end to make another loop. It will look like a snowman. Insert the working end of the rope back into the first loop and pull tight. It should look like a figure 8.
Last, we have the clove hitch, which is a quick adjustable knot for attaching a rope to a pole, post, or spar. It's useful in camping, boating, and lashings, and can slip if not under constant tension. Now we will demonstrate.
Take one end of the rope and wrap it around the pole once. Wrap the rope around the pole again to make an X. Tuck the working end under the intersecting part of the X and pull tight. The knot should grip the pole but remain adjustable.